Morning, class 9. So this is today's unit 5 from the book Words and Expression. So children, today I'll be doing comprehension. Read the passage given below and answer the question. The miraculous escape. I had been very wealthy and prosperous and was leading a very comfortable life. I had all the worldly pleasures with me. But soon I became bored of my idle life. The urge to go on a voyage became stronger and stronger day by day. It haunted me like anything. So one day I boarded a ship and went trading from island to island with another merchants. So this narrator is bored with life. He wants to do something adventure in his life. So he boarded and went with them to island to island, on the sea. When we started, the weather was fine and the sea was calm, but on fourth day of our voyage, our ship was caught in terrible hurricane and we wandered from our set course. The tempest continued for several days and drove us near an island. So, as you know, the sea is not or predictable. There is always high tide, low tide, storm. So that day when they were sailing, what happened? There was a hurricane. Have you seen hurricane in TVs, in news channel? Mostly in America you see hurricanes coming, also in many coastal part of India as well. So there was a hurricane and it was quite near to them. The captain of the ship was reluctant to cast anchor at the port as it was much dreaded place. So the captain of the ship, anchor means जो शिप को ज़मीन पे वो होता है, जो शिप को एक जगह स्थिर करके रख सके, हाँ, वो उसे कहते हैं एंकर. वो एरो जैसा शेप में होता है ना, बड़ा सा, वो वाला एंकर. हाँ. The violent wave of the sea had exhausted us. So the waves were so strong that they were inside the ship, but they were moving. They were also tired with that waves, because when you are in the sea, your body also have to adjust with the waves of the sea. We were all tired and hungry, so we went in search of food and water. So we were fortunate enough to find fruit trees and a stream of fresh cool water, which gave us strength and energy and received us from hunger. So what happened was that finally the captain of the ship anchored in some of the in the dreaded place. But they found there a stream of water and fruit tree. The fruit is not, what kind of fruit is not mentioned here, but it just said fruit trees and stream of fresh and cool water, which gave them strength after eating and drinking. It has started getting dark. As we were tired, we went to sleep, but was soon startled by a rustling noise which came from a very long and huge python, like serpent gliding swiftly towards us. So python is a big kind of anaconda, kind of a snake. Rustle means to make a soft muddle crackling sound. Have you heard the serpent means snake rustling, how they rustle swiftly, softly. But when they rustle, there is a crackling kind of a sound, of the dry leaves or the soil. So the python was coming towards the narrator and the other members. We kept running towards till we had covered a good enough distance from the serpent. We felt a bit relieved, but at the same time sad, as we had lost a friend of ours. We took shelter on top of the tree and thought ourselves to be safe. So while they were running, they lost one friend, but they were safe from that python. How? By climbing on top of the roof of the tree. But we were mistaken for we had hardly slept a little time, when we heard a hissing sound which alarmed means giving a warning, danger, and frightened us. So they were on top of the tree, but still they could hear the hiss, how the snake makes a sound, the hissing, na? That way, the sound that the snake make is called hissing. Coiling itself, coiling means going circle, how they coil on the branch or on the animals, that is called coiling. The serpent reached my other companion who was positioned somewhat lower than me on the tree. It swallowed him and went away. Oh my god. So it was like a movie of anaconda. Okay, that's python swallowed the man who was below the narrator. In the tree, narrator was on the top and that person was below him, so it swallowed him. Okay. Terror-stricken, I clung to the branch of the tree tightly. I didn't know when I fell asleep. It was daylight when I awoke. I climbed down. It seemed to me that I had no courage left. It took me no time to realize that I would not think of a way to escape soon. I would be a dead man. It was just a matter of time when I would also be swallowed like my two other companions. The instinct to prevent one's life is greater than any fear or frustration. So, he was so scared and tired that he slept on the rooftop of the tree, and he did not knew that when it was morning, but his instinct to live, his andar kya bolte atma to live was so much that he forgot all fear and frustration. It was greater than his fear and frustration as well. Okay. I thought I should spare no time to save myself. I collected a lot of dry wood and bushes and tied them into a bundle of reed. I arranged them in a circular structure round the tree and tied some of them with the branches of the tree. In this way, I made a tent-like structure in which I sat after dusk and security tied from within. I had the satisfaction that whenever I could do, I did it to prevent myself. This time when the serpent arrived, he crept around the tree, but he would not penetrate the defensive structure I had made around me. I just sat and waited the whole night like a cat waits for the mouse to out of the hole. So he took some of the branches and bushes. He made a bundle of reed. Okay, and what happened is that he made a tent of those things. Okay, and after the after the sun was set, that he felt satisfaction that he had made something to prevent. Okay, he had made something for his self-defense. Penetrate means a force into through. So he was waiting for the python like the cat wait for the mouse, so to kill the mouse and eat. At dawn, the serpent crept back, but I dared not come out of the fortress. I lay there half dead and almost suffocated. So whatever he had made with the bush and the branches, he just hid himself there, and he was just waiting that when it will be dawn. Okay, when it will be dawn and there will be sunrise, and in light he can move on to the means he can do something for his survival. When the sun began to shine, I came out of so all night he lay like a dead person. Okay, in the hiding in the bush and that branches. When the sun began to shine, I came out of my wooden fortress. I was so desperate. Fortress means some kind of a killa. Okay, in English it is called fortress. I was so desperate that I ran towards the seashore. When I was about to jump into the sea, I saw a ship sailing at some distance, and I shouted wildly. I took off my shirt and waved it too, which attracted the sailor on the ship, and a rescue boat was immediately sent for me. This was my miraculous escape from the deadly serpent. So this was how he was saved. Okay, he was about to jump into the sea, but he saw a ship coming and he waved his hand, and the ship, there was a rescue boat. He was given the rescue boat and he was saved from the serpent. So what you do is you do 1 ABCD, 2 ABCD, and 3. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. This much you can do in your copy.